DTR album launch of Rough Guys Z Town. The whole Z Town is representing. So far as the father is here, that means Z Town father point you about Rough Guy DTR album launch. It's about inspiration and motivation. Them come and as on the thing.
Oi, nta nekana wunta won kana pumbang na show man ta show share nye kama da yan tu kama kaso kam kanantin yerin yan changsha because flute ma kunku nabanda be du dera nabdana ne ma par ma kana mina nan kan nan puna shiro of gan kan biar mame nabdana shi mana ne kana da show nabra gar kama 2 years bana yes bana kana tin population ma from round about nyela sulu hala banchan tanga ban bar moto numa su palge yapam suru wani kama nerba ai ma kunya ba so kutu kama ne so kam try rongo ba yar mar ma bar relax me kamo yina shamba me nerba ne yina amnya moto numa ben shakam samba na kasho ma to am cikanya sa suru tunis ben tab songo ma shamma inta ham paya pam ne kana tinya shuma na cham shamma ban labu so me don one chance style so come bien so come ma me rin yesha
to motivate raka artist nya to be kan on the year but you are into the entertainment industry with full support when your motivation
mami kama na jon yila di be make me happy yila be make me happy abangala but the reason why she is on supporter lama in supporter kama dagbang dagbang kama mbak anlin phone akuye kama ankara irin so yila no ni supporter ma yama kama ne be dagbang ma so mfun biara dagbang ma so pa araso nyene yina te supporter music ma shamma abon la no je 69 fan nyama strong fan of 69 nyama ama mala gadam number ko mala number ko lyric status ko sen ro be yatir ma kan poster le ba ko min ko fan nyama born dagbang music kama kan chanka paran changshan born chanka then supporter.
Wow, that is one or two words from Z Town Father, and I don't want to promise you. And in your time, one on one, or even Tumsa, Camino Difila on Film Music Tagline, can hear more and more about the entertainment industry. The poor one capable.
I got good character, Chaman Gobble Shama. Now, Pama, wow.
Amen.